welcome back to another vlog. So this is what, my second Vlogmas entry. I am here at this cafe called Prospect Espresso, sorry I keep getting the name wrong. And this is in Camberwell. I've been here before with my cousin and I really enjoy the food here. Today I'm going to be catching up with my friend Adrianna, the blonde fox. I haven't seen her in quite some time, obviously with the lockdowns and whatnot. So I'm just having a look at the menu right now and I think I know what I want. Alright, so here's the menu, and last time I was here I had the Rex chicken burger. My cousin had the big tummy breakfast, I believe, so I think I'm gonna go for that because I'm actually really hungry and I do want some bacon. So the big tummy breakfast it is. I mean, there's other options here as well that has bacon in it, but yeah, I think that. I was gonna go for spaghetti bolognese, but I was invited to try out like the brunch menu, so I feel like spaghetti is more of a lunch thing, not a brunch thing. So yeah, I'm going for the big tummy breakfast instead. And Adriana's just finding a car spot and she should be here very soon. I think I'm going to also have a coffee. Normally I go for a almond milk cappuccino, but I might go for a latte today just because I don't feel like I need a lot of caffeine today. Here is my latte, guys. So this is an almond milk latte. Alright guys, so we have Adrianna. Hey. It's been so long since we haven't seen each other, probably like almost a year now.
Yes, it's been a long time.
Been a very long time.
Been in a lockdown, so.
Yeah, we've been planning to catch up, but obviously things have been popping up and we haven't been able to go anywhere. And thankfully we found some time to catch up. And again, we're here at this really cute cafe, Prospect Espresso. You've been here before, haven't you?
I've been here before, yeah. It's really cute.
With Jess.
Yes, Jess.
I'll link Jess's channel down below and also Adrianna's social media down below as well. And yeah, we're just gonna catch up and then we've ordered our food and yeah, I'm starving.
Me too.
Finished with Adrianna and now I'm going to head back to the train station and I'm going to make my way to Melbourne Central and we're going to go check out Gotcha Tea again. I got invited as well. I'm so excited. I love that place. It's so pretty. I was going to take my partner along but unfortunately he couldn't come along, so I'm just going to do it by myself and then depending on how things go I might do another video like sort of like a tour of Melbourne Central. I think that's going to be a really good video for my other channel, which is basically a channel that recommends like cafes, restaurants and travel recommendations. Pretty much what I'm doing in this vlog today. But yeah, thought this would be a good, I thought today would be a really good video for just Vlogmas because yeah, I don't really do a lot of exciting things anymore. If I'm being completely honest, I don't really know like what kind of content I'm going to show you guys in the next few days. I'm just really busy at work and yeah, I'm like a lot of the shopping, I feel like a lot of the Christmas shopping and stuff, hopefully you guys can hear it's really windy, we've pretty much just done online, so I can't even like take you guys to a store and show you guys like what I'm going to be buying in terms of presents. But yeah, hopefully you guys are finding the Vlogmas vlogs entertaining. Alright guys, so we're here at Gotcha Tea and it's also got brioche. Oh, so cute. I showed you guys this place last time and the aesthetic of this place is so cool. Last time I was here I was with Steph and these are their top 20 drinks. I am a sucker for taro milk, so I might go and grab that again because last time I had bubble tea was I think from another place and it was like a strawberry flavored one, so this time I want to try taro. Oh, actually they have a strawberry macchiato. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna have to think about that. Can I also get the cinnamon brona? Cinnamon brona? Please, thank you. Okay guys, so I've sat down and yes, when you're in a restaurant and stuff, you can remove your mask and stuff, obviously because you need to use your mouth for stuff. It's really nice to be in here because it's like really stormy and windy outside. I feel like one of my lashes is kind of like come loose and it's like poking my eye because now it's like watering non-stop. There is severe weather warning is outside and like really strong winds, so I'm glad to be indoors. I was planning on going like around the city, sort of like doing another tour type video, but I don't think the weather's going to permit, so I'm just going to try and do maybe like a Melbourne Central focus video for the other channel. I don't know, it just really depends. Also depends on how much grief my eye gives me because it's like really scratchy at the moment. Yeah, like I really like the seating of this place. I mean, like have a look at the aesthetic of this place. It's so pretty, and if you don't want to order at the counter, you can also order using this machine, which is really handy. I think a lot of restaurants are currently doing that sort of thing where you can just order through a menu system. One, it just saves time because then you can kind of like pick and choose what you want, and also limit, I guess, contact with people if that's the thing for you. Just hand sanitizing, by the way. Alright, so I have got my almond donut. I'm not really sure how it's different. Maybe it's a brioche and a donut all at once. And then this is the strawberry macchiato. It looks so yummy. Alright, so I'm gonna devour this and I'm gonna try to take photos. Actually, before I start eating this, I'm gonna try and take photos because that's what I do. Try and take photos. Guys, I'm back home and yeah, it's really windy out there. I have to say, when I was walking to Gotcha Team, my lashes were like, you know that meme where it was like that lady or that drag queen, her lashes were like going up in the air? That was pretty much me. So I was like, oh my gosh, should I just rip them off or should I just leave them on? I was just so... Anyway, I got into a DD because there's so many train works, it was just really complicated to get home. I was just like, I'm done, I want to get home, and here we are. So before I wrap up this Vlogmas vlog, I wanted to show you guys this package that I received from London. So as you guys can see, these are the lipsticks. So we've got some lasting finish mattes, extreme satin, oh my gloss, and oh my gloss plump. I've never actually tried their plumping lip glosses. It'd be very interesting to see how that works on my lips. But here is how much it will retail. And from what I can see, the colours are sort of like nudie red, like a nude, a red, a mauve, a red, a nude, a clear, and this one's like a purpley colour, it's interesting, and then like a nudie brown shade. And that is pretty much the end of the vlog, guys. So I'm pretty much just going to edit videos and maybe film a couple of things for a collaboration that I've got, and maybe, if I still have the energy, do a Christmas look. I feel like because I'm wearing red already and I have makeup, I kind of want to do those one of those half face makeup looks where I'm just going to like take off half my makeup and do like a creative look down here in the bottom half of my face, considering some of my makeup has already been like rubbed off from my mask, which is fine. I feel like this makeup is still wearable anyway, and if I do just like the lower half, I think we're good. And that pretty much brings us to the end of this Vlogmas video. I'll have a playlist down below of all the Vlogmas videos that I'll have for you guys. Again, if you guys would like to see some of the like sort of like travel-y sort of like videos that I've done on my other channel, definitely check it out. I'll link it down in the description box down below. And that is pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.